click on the subscriber button so that you'll be subscribed to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future video. So today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a beautiful sequins work. So you can do the sequins work on your blouse and any kind of kurti neckline. So I'm going to teach you a very simple and really easy method to be followed. So I just took a light baby pink sequins and also some sugar beads and a normal size beads. So let's get started. First, you're going to mark the places where you're going to make these flowers. So I'm going to make the sequins flowers on a stitched blouse. So let us begin. So punch the needle from the down part and you're going to add one of the sequins and one of that bead, and make sure that you punch on the sequence hole, leaving the bead like such. It will be locked like this. And to the next side, exactly straight to that, you're going to make an order that is like it's going to have a 2 bead at the first. See, like this. Add a 2 golden beads. Again, you're going to add 1 sequence, 1 sugar bead, again 1 sequence. So this should be in order: 2 bead, 1 sequence and 1 sugar bead. So make sure it just being in an order. And now you're going to punch on the exact back of that sequence like such. Again, you're going to make the same on the exactly opposite to this. Same order should be followed, like 2 gold and 1 sequence, 1 sugar bead and 1 sequence again. So this is not any kind of necessity that you have to have this kind of sequence. You can buy any sequence, a flat sequence or like a multicolor sequence, anything can do. So I just took a flower kind of sequence so that it goes well with the flower that I make. So again, we are going to sew another 2 on either sides. To make that, I'm going to use my frame again. So if you have frame, you can frame the fabric like this and you can sew. If you don't have frame, still you can sew it like I showed before. So it's going to come a little bit crossed like such, and I'm going to sew the same arrangement on both the sides like this. 2 beads, 1 sequence, 1 sugar bead and a sequence again. Is that easy? So simple, so easy to make. And like this, I'm going to finish off my entire blouse. And once it's done, make sure you add some knots to finish off the blouse. And here we go. I'm just done with it, and hope you like this video. And if you like this video and if you want simple videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. See you next time.